Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another new video. So first of all, a very happy new year to one and all who's watching this video, to all my subscribers, to everyone out there. Very happy new year 2023. This is January 2nd. I'm recording this video. So let's dive in straight to the topic. So this is about how to renew Indian passport online in 2023. So I'm going to share my screen and I'm going to show you how to renew an Indian passport online. So without wasting any time, let me dive in straight to the points. So the first point is, many of them asked me last year when I made the video, is police verification required for renewing Indian passport? Yes, it is required. Even if it's a fresh passport or passport renewal, police verification is mandatory. The only change is after you renew your passport, once you renew your passport, you'll get the passport first and then the police verification will happen. But in the fresh passport, first you will have the police verification and then you would receive your passport. That's the only change. And many of them had questions about ECR and non-ECR category. I've covered that as well in this video. So without wasting any time, I'll share my screen and show you. Again, one request is please watch the video till the end, otherwise you will not get the information. I've showed you how to make the payment, how to select an appointment date, everything. So if you don't watch this video till the end, you will not get proper information. So please watch this video till the end. Do not skip this video. If you skip, you will miss information and you will end up commenting, which I would be answering the same, whatever I've mentioned in this video. So please do not skip this video. Watch this video till the end for all information. I've taken one dummy passport as an example and shown you in this video. So without wasting any time, here you go. Hey guys, I hope you can see my screen. So just go to Google and type in Renew Indian Passport online and just click on Passport Seva Home Indian Passport. There's a lot of other fake websites, but do not click on those. Just go to passportindia.gov.in and I've created a new email ID just for the demo purpose, which I'm going to come to a minute. So I'll just copy this new email ID that I've created, and this is just click on new user registration if you're a new user. And if you are existing user, if you remember your credentials which 10 years ago where you renew your passport, you can click on existing user login, but I'll click on new user registration because a lot of people who come are new users. So once I click on new user registration, I just wait for the pages to open. Yes, so you can just select whatever I'm doing here. So just select passport office is Bengaluru because I live in Bengaluru and I'm a localite. So given name, I will go as per this. That is, I have taken example for this demo purpose because I cannot share my passport credentials. So I'll just take it as surname as Santa and given name. So what given name here is asking is this particular given name. As you can see, the second one, clause, would be the given name. And the surname would be Santa, as you can see in the airport. This is the same format that is there in our airports. And the date of birth, which is given as 0. So I'll just go ahead and give some random date of birth that is again not my date of birth, but I'll just give a random date of birth that is maybe 1992 April, and I'll give 4th. This is the date of birth I'll be giving, and the email ID I've just copy pasted, that is SC22, because this is just for demo purpose. Do you want your email ID to be same? Yes, I would want. And the password, I'll just set it as a normal password, some random password which I would remember. And confirm password, please enter the same thing again. And hint question, birth city, I will give it as Bangalore because you can give it according to you because I was born in Bangalore. Enter the characters displayed, ETJ5G6. Then I'll click on register. So once you click on register, it will just take a minute and it will say thank you for registering the Passport Seva portal. To activate your account, please click in the link in the email sent to your ID. So I'll just refresh my email ID. I should be getting it in a couple of minutes. Let me see. So I've not got it yet. Let me check the spam. I've not got it in spam, not in trash. So I'll just wait for a couple of more minutes. So you can see here, please click on the link in the email. This link will be only active till 9/1. Today is 2nd of December. I'm recording this video. So this link will be active only for the next 1 week. Hey guys, so I finally received my email. As you can see my screen, register confirmation. So my passport has been registered. So I'll just click on this. And then enter the user ID. User ID would be same as my email ID. So that's what I gave at the beginning. So I will just select this as ac2023@gmail.com. Yeah. Yes. So click on submit. So my user ID has been verified successfully. Please click here to login. So I'll just click here to login. Then again, I need to paste my email address, that is the login address, and the password whichever I gave. And I'll just do this captcha and then login. So once you click on this, you will get a lot of options here, and that the main thing that we are targeting is apply for a fresh passport, reissue of passport. So just click on this, and you can see there are two options here. You can apply for reissue of passport using two alternatives. One, clicking the application form online, which we will be doing, or two, you can download the soft copy form, click here to download, fill up the internet form and upload the filled form. So we are not going to take the alternative 2, we are going to take the alternative 1 only. So I'm just going to click on this form online, and I will be selecting my state, that is Karnataka, and I'll be selecting as Bengaluru. So this is Bengaluru is where I stay, so I'll be selecting as Bengaluru, and this will move on to the next page, and applying for a reissue of passport. So this is the main thing we are targeting. If you're applying for a fresh passport, select the fresh passport, but this video is dedicated for reissue of passport, and you can just select it validity within the 3 years. So if your passport has expired last month or last year, if within 3 years of time due to expire, you can select this option. Within 1 year of time, you can renew your passport. That is, if your passport is going to expire in 2023 January, you can renew in 2022 January. So exactly 1 year before. So I will go for a normal passport, and booklet type will be 60 pages. So it's better to choose 60 pages because you may travel more and often there is not much of price difference. So I would suggest you to choose 60 pages. Then let's click on next quickly. Let's go through this quickly. I don't want this video to be lengthy, so I'll just move on very quickly. So if you have any questions, like I said, you can ping me on Instagram for immediate response, or better to comment in the comment section so I don't miss your comments. So again, given name, I would choose here whatever it is. Given name is Claus. So, and the surname, whatever is given here would be Santa. So that's given, and I'll set it as gender as male. Have you ever known by the names? No. Have you ever changed your name? No. And the date of birth, for example, for the video purpose example, I just took as April 4th, 1992. I'll be selecting the same. So again guys, this is only demo purpose. This is not a real-time passport application because I cannot share my passport details. Is your birthplace out of India? No. Place of birth town would be Bangalore because I was born in Bangalore, and state would be Karnataka. And this is the same. I mean, you can choose your district and state accordingly. So I think it is not yet loaded. Yeah, it is loaded now, and it is to Bengaluru. And Marshall Tate, I am married, so I will put it as married. Citizenship of India by birth, PAN if available. It is not red, so I'm not going to fill it. Employment type is private because I work in a MNC, in a private company, because I'm a software engineer. Is either of your parent in case suppose? No, they are not. Educational qualification, I will put it as graduate and above because I'm a engineering graduate. Is application eligible for non-ECR category? Yes, because see, this is an ECR is something where if you have not cleared your 10th or 12th, I'm not exactly sure, but I'll just put it in the description below. But if you're a graduate and above, you will fill it as non-ECR passport. ECR is nothing but if someone has not completed their education, minimum qualification of education, that is 7th standard or 10th standard, even a high schooling, they would require an immigration check, and someone needs to accompany them depending upon the country they are visiting. So for a normal people who have completed 10th and above, or if they are a graduate, you can just click on ECR. Regarding details of ECR, I'll try to link in the description below. So Aadhaar number and distinguished mark I'm not going to give because it is not in the red category. So I hold above Aadhaar number given my passport, Aadhaar fingerprint save with I have no objection giving yes. Then click on next. Okay, I have to enter my Aadhaar number. No, so yeah, so I just clicked on no for Aadhaar because I'm not ready to give my Aadhaar details because this is for demo purpose, and I wouldn't want to link my Aadhaar card on a fake or a dummy email address. So father's given name, again you can just refer to this particular passport, the back side of the particular passport, and so I'll be giving the same thing. I'll just go ahead and give the same thing as Santa Claus, maybe senior. Surname would Santa Claus senior. Yeah, Claus senior, and then I'll give it the surname as Santa, and mother's name I'll give it as Claus MR, and they have not asked all this information. So spouse, given name, first name and married. So I'll just put it as, I'll just put the same names, Santa Claus and then click on next. So is your permanent address out of India? No. And house and street number, I'll just fill it as some address, number 56 Jayanagar, Bangalore, something like this. Village town would be Bangalore, and state Karnataka, Bengaluru. Police station, so yeah, the nearest police station you can choose, like for example, if you're staying in Jayanagar, so you can choose that as Jayanagar, and the pin code of I think Jayanagar would be 0070, and the mobile number, again for this dummy purpose I'm giving 10 digit mobile number, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and then email ID, which I've already copied here below, that I'll be giving it as this only. And then, is the permanent address available? Yes. And permanent same as present address? Yes. And then click on next. Yeah, you can agree, and you can say yes for the notification, and it is not allowed, so I will choose this as 56 Bangalore. Okay, so it will move on to the next page. Yeah, so emergency contact, again I'll be giving the same name because this is for demo purpose, and I'll giving the same mobile number, but I advise you to give this properly, because in case of emergency, if you're stuck in another foreign country, if something happens to you in the foreign country, they would probably contact embassy, and embassy would reach out to this emergency contact guys. And emergency contact is also required for background verification, doing the police verification. Take this very seriously and give the proper information only. So 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, so I'll just give this randomly. You don't have to give the telephone number and email address, and enter the details of the last held passport. So this also has to be given very carefully. So I'll just go ahead and give a number. This is the same passport number here, that is G followed by 1. So 7 zeros, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and date of issue I would give it as July 2009, just for this demo purpose again guys. Date of expiry, let's say my passport is expired in 2019 and it is expired in August 7th. Would this work? I think it would. Let me give it as July only, and let me give it as 6th. Okay, and place of town issue, I'll give it as Bangalore. And file number will be in your passport, so just copy the file number. Let's see, I'll not give anything. Let's see, details available, details not available, held, details not held, never held. Have you applied for passport but not issued? No, nothing like that. So it did not ask for the file number. Let's see. You have chosen reason for valid to expire, due expiry within for specified. Okay, so let me close this for 2011. Let me change this to 2011 because I chose within 3 years of time, so it is not agreeing. Let me choose this as 2011, then July 7th, same thing, and this, let me 6th only. I'll choose this as 2021, and I'll be choosing it as July 6th. I think I chose, yeah, 6th. Yes, click on next. Yeah, so this is very important, so just click on no for everything. In most cases it will be no, but choose this accordingly. Read thoroughly and choose this accordingly. I've already read this information, so for me everything here would be no. Have you ever held EC? Have you ever been deported to any country? Have you ever been deported? So everything is going to be no, and just click on next. And once it's pretty slow, I don't know why. And so this is how your passport is going to appear. Like Santa photo will be taken in the passport seva kendra, and this is how it is going to look like. And just click on next. So if you want any changes, you have an option to go back and change this, because I'm doing this for demo purpose only, taking the dummy passport. So you can choose this accordingly. If you have made any mistake, you can go back and you can choose this. I'm not going to submit this application because you're not supposed to submit with any dummy or fake application. So I'm not going to submit this, but I'm going to get you till the submit page to update this information. So I'm just loading the passport seva. Is I mean, it's pretty slow. I don't know why. A declaration, e-Aadhaar card. So you can give birth certificate, original Aadhaar card. So on majority people, they will give Aadhaar card only. So I'll select e-Aadhaar card, and proof of residential address, I will give it as Aadhaar card itself. And if you have any affidavit, you can select the affidavit. If you don't have Aadhaar card, and place, you can give it as Bangalore because I belong to Bangalore. Bangalore and 2123, I agree, and you have to submit. So once you submit the form, this is going to go and it is going to go to the payment page. So once you click on the payment page, I'll just end my application here because I don't want to submit with a dummy ID. So I'll go to the application center here and I'll just show you the appointment details. So once you make the payment, you are going to get an option to make the payment and choose the appointment date. So here I'm not getting that option. I don't think I get that option because I have not submitted my application. But once you submit the application, let me just verify okay, it's not there. So view submitted application. So just click on view submitted applications. So I've not submitted anything, that's why I'm not getting that payment option. So once you, see payment and appointment, yes. So pay and schedule, you can see here, I have not, please fill an application to proceed. Because I have not filled my application, I'm not getting an option here. So if you have already filled an application, you'll get the payment and appointment. So pay and schedule appointment. So you have to just click on payment, schedule an appointment for inquiry at passport office, track payment status. So once you pay, you will get an appointment page open and you can schedule your appointment according to your passport seva kendra. And please remember, you cannot choose the time slot. Time will be automatically generated and you can only choose this date. Like for example, if I want to choose the renewal on 9th of January, I cannot choose the time. Time is automatically generated. So please be prepared on whatever time you get allotted. You have to visit the time. You cannot postpone this particular time. We'll have to fill another application or call or email Passport Seva Kendra. So if you click on payment and option, you go to the applicant home, click on save payment and option, you will get this and you have to carry the acknowledgement letter or the appointment letter. So just click on this and just click on the appointment letter and take a printout. So in the receipts also you'll get it, payment receipt, application form and print inquiry appointment receipt. So print inquiry appointment receipt, carry this to the Passport Seva Kendra. Hard copy is always recommended. Do not carry a soft copy because almost everyone carries hard copy. I've never seen anyone carrying soft copy. So please do that. And this is all it takes to renew Indian passport accordingly. So I hope this information was very, very helpful. Please do ping on the comment section if you have any doubts, or ping me on Instagram for immediate response. I hope this video was very, very helpful. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Hey guys, so as you saw in my video, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me in the comment. Feel free to comment in the comment section or reach out to me on Instagram for immediate response. My Instagram ID will be here. So do reach out to me if you have any questions. I'll reply as soon as possible. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions regarding passport renewal, may be it what, I am ready to help you guys because I've renewed my passport multiple times. I know how to renew the passport. So if you have any questions, do reach out to me on Instagram for immediate response or comment in the comment section. I'll try to reply as soon as possible. So have a very good year ahead. May all your goals be achieved. I'll catch you guys in my next video.